ServiceFlow.ai Marketing Recipes. Episode 7, Closed Loop Measurement and ROI, Scene 1. Series Intro. Welcome to ServiceFlow.ai Marketing Recipes. In this episode, we move from campaign execution into measurement. This is where an AI marketing system becomes truly useful. It should not only create content, run ads, and respond to leads. It should learn which activities produce qualified opportunities, booked appointments, revenue, and profit. Scene 2. Episode title. Episode 7 is called Closed Loop Measurement and ROI. The main idea is simple. Marketing cannot be optimized properly if it only sees clicks, views, and form fills. ServiceFlow.ai should connect every campaign to the lead conversation, the appointment, the quote, the booking, the sale, and the margin. That closed loop tells the business what is actually working. Scene 3. The Marketing Ledger. The first recipe is the marketing ledger. Every meaningful interaction should be captured in one structured view. Track the channel, campaign, creative, landing page, lead source, conversation, appointment, quote, booking, revenue, and follow-up outcome. When this data is connected, the AI agent can stop guessing and start making better recommendations. Scene 4. Financial Metrics. The second recipe is financial measurement. Cost per lead is useful, but it is not enough. A business should measure customer acquisition cost, return on ad spend, contribution margin, and lifetime value. The most important metric is not the cheapest lead. It is the most profitable customer outcome after advertising cost, labor, fulfillment, refunds, and repeat business are considered. Scene 5. Optimization Rules. The third recipe is optimization rules. AI can identify winners and losers faster than a manual process, but it needs clear boundaries. It can shift budget toward campaigns that produce qualified leads, generate new creative when fatigue appears, recommend negative keywords, pause broken landing pages, and refresh weak follow-up sequences. The rules should always point toward revenue quality, not surface-level engagement. Scene 6. Guardrails. The fourth recipe is guardrails for autonomous marketing. AI should not freely change pricing, make legal claims, overspend budgets, or launch sensitive campaigns without approval. ServiceFlow.ai should use financial controls, brand controls, compliance rules, budget limits, approval thresholds, and rollback logs. The goal is safe autonomy, faster execution with human control where judgment matters. Scene 7. Executive Reporting. The fifth recipe is executive reporting. A business owner should not receive a confusing dashboard full of vanity metrics. They should receive a plain language answer. What changed, what worked, what failed, what needs approval, and what the AI recommends next. The best report connects marketing activity directly to revenue, pipeline, customer quality, and operational capacity. Scene 8. Episode CTA. Here is the takeaway. Closed-loop measurement turns marketing from a cost center into a learning system. Start by connecting one campaign to one sales outcome. For example, connect a Google ad to a landing page, then to the lead conversation, the booked appointment, and the final sale. ServiceFlow.ai can build that measurement recipe and use it to continuously improve growth performance.